Now, as we work with applications, one of the things that pretty much every application that you work with in Windows has is a small icon. Up here in Blend, that icon is visible at the top left, so it makes sense that I might want to add my icons into my application. So let me create a new project and name it Application Icons. Now, before I can assign an icon, I need to create one, so let me go ahead and open Design. Now, Blend has got the ability to scale down any icon that I give it to a logical size, but to make sure I'm doing everything right, I tend to like to create my icons at the default size of about 48 pixels. So let me create a new file. I'm going to set it to 48 pixels by 48 pixels. And I'm just going to use the paintbrush to create a quick icon. Now, design isn't my specialty, but I'm sure you could come up with something better. Once I've got my icon created, I need to export it out, and it's best to export it in a lossless format like a TIFF. Just go ahead and use all the default settings, and now I can switch back over to Blend. In the project, first I need to add my icon. I'm going to right-click, add an existing item, go up to my desktop, and select that TIFF. Once it's added, I can go into the Properties Inspector, select my window, and look for the icon property. As long as the icon has already been added to my project, it'll show up in the drop-down here, and once it's selected, you can see on my artboard that it's now using that icon. When I press F5, the icon will show up on my artboard, and when I press Alt-Tab to switch between my applications, my icon will show up. Now, obviously here, since I used a fairly simple line drawing, it's not looking as good as I'd like, but create something a little more complex and sophisticated, and you'll get an icon more like what you're looking for. That's all for icons, so let's close this project and carry on.